Oh, got your head up in the clouds? Me too. But today that's okay because we are investigating clouds on the Take Action Echo Citizen Science Challenge. Hi everyone, it's Kaylee from Echo Leahy Center for Lake Champlain. And on today's Echo Take Action Citizen Science Challenge, we are investigating clouds. We're partnering with the Globes Cloud Observer app, which is sponsored by NASA and is a really fun way to observe clouds. Clouds are important. They cover about 70% of Earth at any given time and can have a major impact on our climate and our weather. Different kinds of clouds have different effects, so collecting data on which clouds are present is very important. One of the main ways clouds are studied is through photography from weather satellites passing overhead. Satellites allow for observation of very large areas, but they do have some limitations. Clouds can form in multiple layers, and satellites, they can only see from the top, leaving everything below them a mystery. In the winter, it can sometimes be difficult to tell the clouds apart from the snow-covered ground. Smaller clouds, they can get missed entirely. To improve their data, wouldn't it be great if every place and time a satellite took a photo of the clouds from above, NASA could also take a photo from Earth looking up to compare? Well, NASA's Globe Observer does just that, except this isn't some special new robot running around taking photos of the sky. The Globe Observer is you. Citizen scientists just like you are taking pictures and sending in reports about clouds in the sky where they live. By taking photos of clouds and sending in reports, citizen scientists are contributing to data that can be matched with data collected by satellites to create a fuller picture of Earth's cloud cover. So, now that you know the challenge, let's get back to the basics. What is a cloud? A cloud is a huge gathering of water droplets or ice crystals in the atmosphere. That's right, droplets. Here, closer to the ground, the air is warm enough for water molecules to be all around us as water vapor. But higher in the atmosphere, the air is much cooler. With cooler temperatures, the water molecules slow down and return to their liquid form. The molecules then stick together to form a droplet. And then huge groups of water droplets stick together to form a cloud. Particles in the air help to kickstart cloud formation because they give the water droplets something to stick to. Dust, ice, salt, and even pollutants in the air are all particles that can lead to cloud formation. So now we know all clouds are made of massive numbers of water molecules. But just because they're all made of water doesn't mean that all clouds are exactly the same. There are many kinds of clouds that are identified by their shape, unique characteristics, and height in the sky or in the atmosphere. When you submit your cloud report, the Cloud Wizard will help you identify exactly what you're seeing. So today, we're just going to focus on 3 main types, identified by their shape. The first type of cloud is the cumulus cloud. When you draw a cloud, it's usually a cumulus cloud. These are the puffy, cotton-like clouds that we often look for animal shapes in. They are low to the ground, only 1,000 meters above. That's only 0.6 miles. Cumulus clouds are fair weather clouds, but their close relative, the cumulonimbus cloud, those are the ones that bring rain. The second kind of cloud that we are talking about today is the stratus cloud. The stratus cloud is another low-to-the-ground cloud. They can actually come low enough to be fog, especially in mountainous regions. Stratus clouds are long, thin, horizontal clouds that resemble a gray blanket resting over the landscape. And when the air is saturated, they can produce drizzle. Now our last cloud is the cirrus cloud. Cirrus clouds are thin and wispy. They are high in the sky, 5 to 10 miles from the ground. Because they form high in the atmosphere, the air is much cooler. So these feathery clouds are made out of ice crystals instead of water droplets. Cirrus clouds often mean that a warm front is coming and a change in weather is on the way. No matter their shape, size, or elevation, clouds are important. Understanding Earth's clouds help us better understand not only the weather, but also the role of clouds in Earth's changing climate. Clouds can indicate changing weather and bring precipitation, but they can also warm or cool our planet. Some clouds block the sun's heat energy from reaching Earth's surface, while others are insulators, trapping heat energy in our atmosphere. With the potential climate impact, monitoring clouds and collecting cloud data over time is important now more than ever. So, now that we know about the app, we know about the project, we know about clouds and why they're important, what do you say we try doing an observation together? All you need is a smartphone, or in my case, a tablet, with the Cloud Globe Observer app. And then you're also going to need Sky. I think we have that one. So, now that you're here, any data point is important, but the best data is going to come from photos and observations that are taken at the same time that a satellite is passing overhead. And you can check that by clicking on the Check Satellite Flyovers. This will tell you about upcoming flyovers so you know the best time to go out there and make some quality observations. Once you know what time to make your observation, you'll be making a new cloud observation. So it will set your coordinates and then it will move you on to the next step, which will be asking, what does your sky look like? Clouds, clear sky, or observed? For us, we've got clouds, definitely clouds. And I'm going to say we've got 50 to 90% broken clouds. You've got a few different options to choose from here. And then next, the Cloud Wizard will guide you through cloud identification. After that, it'll ask you about the colors of the sky and then also for weather in your area at that time. After that, once your observation is complete, your photo and your information will be synced up with a photo taken by a satellite so that scientists can compare the observations, the photos, and the data to create a better picture of the sky at that moment in time. A great way for you to help out. As part of the Take Action Challenge, we are hoping to contribute at least 1,000 new reports from all across Vermont this year. Can you help? When you use the app, enter the team referral code GLIDBMHL to join our team. Even if it's only once every month, every bit of data helps. So, thank you all in advance for getting out there and helping us take action with this challenge. If you like this video, let us know. Click like, leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe.